Hello and welcome to DC Guide channel. Today I want to share with you how to fix lag or slowing problem of your Windows 10. But before that, if you're new in this channel and you like topics related to technology, repairing computers, gadgets and more, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for you to be updated on my next video. And thank you so much. And now let's begin to this problem. Let's go first to your start button. Click here. Then settings. Look for privacy. Here. Click. Then at your general, it's already on. Turn it off. The three options. Turn these three off. Then the speech, turn this off. The inking and typing personalization, turn this off. Location, turn this off. Then the camera, turn this off. Then scroll down. You must off this one too if it is on. Then leave the microphone and the voice activation. Go to notification, turn this off. Account info off. Contact off. Calendar, turn this off. The phone call, turn this off. Then scroll down. Call history off. Email, turn this off. The task off. Messaging, turn this off. The radio, turn this off also. Other devices, turn this off. Then the background apps, turn this off. Your app diagnostics, turn this off. Then go to your documents here, turn this off. Picture, video, and lastly the file system. The very last is restart your computer. That's it for today. Please leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.